You can survive weeks without food. You can survive days without water. But without sleep, your mind begins to collapse far sooner than most people realize. At first, it feels harmless. Just a little fatigue, a little slower thinking. But hour by hour, your brain starts losing its ability to function normally. And eventually, your brain can no longer tell the difference between reality and hallucination. So what actually happens when a human stops sleeping? And why is sleep so essential for survival? In the next few minutes, you are about to discover what really happens, a story that will completely change the way you think about sleep and make you say, "I didn't know that." Why humans need sleep. Every second you are awake, your brain is working. It processes information, builds memories, controls movement, regulates emotions, and constantly consumes enormous amounts of energy. But this activity creates waste. Tiny toxic byproducts slowly build up inside the brain throughout the day. Sleep is the brain's cleaning system. While you sleep, your brain clears away this waste, repairs damaged cells, strengthens memories, and restores balance to your nervous system. Without sleep, these systems begin failing surprisingly fast. The first 24 hours without sleep. After around 16 hours awake, your body already begins showing signs of impairment. Your concentration weakens, your reflexes slow down, and your judgment becomes less reliable. Memory becomes unstable. Mood swings increase. Simple tasks become harder to perform, and your brain struggles to maintain focus. Even though your eyes remain open, your brain is already beginning to shut down small parts of itself. 48 hours without sleep. After 2 full days without sleep, the effects become much more dangerous. Your immune system weakens. Stress hormones rise sharply. Your body struggles to regulate temperature properly, and the brain begins experiencing microsleeps. Microsleeps are brief moments where the brain suddenly falls asleep for a few seconds. During these moments, parts of your brain temporarily disconnect from reality. Miss important information. Your exhausted brain starts struggling. 72 hours without sleep. By around 3 days awake, the human brain enters a severe state of dysfunction. Confusion becomes intense. Speech may become disorganized. Emotions become unstable. And paranoia can begin developing. Some people report seeing people who are not there. Others experience memory blackouts, extreme anxiety, or terrifying visual hallucinations. At this point, the body eventually begins shutting itself down automatically. Because sleep is not optional, it is biological survival. Can humans actually die from lack of sleep? Direct death from sleep deprivation is extremely rare, but prolonged sleep loss can become incredibly dangerous. The risks of heart disease, immune failure, depression, memory loss, and severe mental breakdown increase dramatically. There is even a rare condition called fatal familial insomnia, where the brain eventually loses the ability to sleep entirely. And the condition is always fatal because eventually the human body cannot survive without sleep. But while you sleep, your brain is repairing, cleaning, recovering, and keeping you alive. Without it, the human mind slowly begins to fall apart. So tonight, when you finally close your eyes, remember, sleep is not wasted time. It is one of the most important survival systems your body has ever evolved. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories and hidden truths about the world around us. And comment below, what topic should we explore next? I'll see you in the next video.